Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to send a blind copy email in Gmail. Here are some steps to send a blind copy BCC email in Gmail on your mobile device. Open Gmail and tap Compose. Open the Gmail app and tap the plus or Compose button at the bottom right. Tap the BCC option. In the new email screen, tap the To field and then choose BCC or blind carbon copy. Enter recipients in BCC. Type or paste the email addresses of the recipients in the BCC field. This keeps their addresses hidden from each other. Add subject and message. Enter a subject and type your email content. Tap Send. Tap the Send button or paper plane icon to send the email. Now, each recipient will receive the email without seeing others' email addresses. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.